Hi guys, this reading is for all the people born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or the 20th of any month. Let's see what the month of November is going to be like for you guys. So the first card that I've drawn for you is the Two of Wands. So I think for a lot of people, they are, you are going to be at a crossroads regarding something, I think mostly related to taking a physical action towards anything. So maybe there is a situation, that requires you to take physical action. It could be two job offers, it could be, starting a new project. It could be related to anything, but something that requires you to actively participate in it and take a physical action. So this is what you're going to start your month with, being at a crossroads. So the next card I have for you is the Two of Cups. Okay, so possibly, with these two cards showing up together, there's a possibility, this action could be related to your love life, possibly, regarding a person. So it could there could be, a fire sign involved, or there could be a water sign involved. So, you taking action in regards to your love life, or in regards to your career, or, in general, it could be something that you love. So it's an action against that. The next we have is the Tower card. So I think when you take an action towards something, you are going to leave behind something. So something which was not serving you, something that was actually putting you in, such a situation where you actually had to make a choice, that thing is going to meet its end. And I think it's a good card, followed by, you making choices and finally something coming to an end. So it seems like a really good start. The next card we have for you is the Five of Swords. So, while you move ahead with something, at the same time, there is going to be an end. And I think when that thing ends, you're actually going to feel sort of sad. You will feel like, maybe you have won a little fight against something, but you would feel like a little bit disappointed in terms of what you had to let go. And then we have the Sun. So, when the Sun card comes up, it basically, goes over all the other cards in your spread, or, in what in your reading. So it's a card of happy ending, it's a card of optimism, it's a card of, good things coming towards you. So overall, I think a lot of you guys, there's a possibility a lot of you guys could be traveling this month. A lot of you guys could be ending something, something could be coming to an end. And five is a number of transformation, and after transformation you have the Sun card. That means something is going to transform. While, the transformation is usually not fun, it's not, a very happy time, but when it actually happens, when you go after, after the period of transformation, there is going to be a happy ending. There is going to be, a positive aspect to the entire situation, and that's a really good reading. For a lot of people, this could mean that, maybe you are moving to a new place. You could be going on a holiday to a new place. A lot of people who are planning a baby, maybe, the baby is on the way. From a career perspective, from finance perspective, I do see finances coming in, or at least the situation getting better than before. Because in the start of the month, you were at some choices that had to be made, and when you are going to make those choices, things are going to get better. The next card I have for you is the Two of Swords. My, I have no idea what you guys are up to, but that's a lot of number twos. So you have been, I think you guys, your energy is scattered in a lot of things. I think you want to give your love life a priority. You want to give your thoughts a priority. You want to give your career a priority. It seems like everything is a priority right now. And then I have the Page of Swords. So definitely a sort of communication. So, if you have taken a decision here with the Two of Swords, I think there would be another another situation for which you would actually hear back some sort of communication. There is going to be, communication coming. So if you were in a relationship with somebody, and, if you were married in a relationship and going through a tough time in your marriage, good things are coming. But I think you have to change your mindset. So when I see the Two of Swords tells me that, a change in the mindset is needed. A change in, the way you think is needed. The next card I have for you is the Three of Swords. All right, let me pull one more card. That's a lot of swords card. And then I have the Five of Cups. All right. I think, guys, the first, at least the first half of your month is going to be way better than the second half. To be very honest, I think the second half of the month is going to be sort of slow. I think you might face a lot of disappointments. You might face, a lot of rejections. So, for example, if your love life is going well, because I see, you making a lot of decisions. So, if you're making a lot of decisions in terms of your work, in terms of your, career, one side it's actually going to be very well. So I think the balance is not going to be equal this month. So either your love life is going to suffer in the second half, or your work is going to suffer in the second half, but something is going to give you a disappointment, something is going to give you sort of, a low sort of feeling. So I'm not going to lie, in terms of what I see, and it's possibly a so you have to make a choice, and then you're going to get a message in regards to something. So maybe, you have to make a choice in regards to your career in the second half. Definitely career, like for majority of you. So a choice has to be made in terms of the career, but I think maybe if you've applied for a job somewhere, or in terms of finances, if you are waiting to hear back in terms of finances, I think there is going to be disappointment, and you're not going to be very happy. Just look at, how kind of dramatic and how sad these cards are. So yeah, just stay optimistic during the second half of the month. So yeah, I don't believe in lying, or sugar coating whatever I can see. But yeah, these are the energies I'm catching. But if you change your mindset, you change your energy, and the overall outcome actually turns out to be pretty good. So yeah, let's draw a couple of cards from the Monology deck and see what sort of energies you guys are going to be having during the month of November. So the first one is a new romantic cycle begins, and with the Two of Cups showing up, and with the Sun showing up, and with the decisions, I think this was pretty sure. A new love is coming, a new cycle, especially in terms of when you get Libra, which is ruled by Venus. So we are talking about something new happening, especially in your love life. So if you are already married, already in a relationship, maybe you guys are going to get a little more romantic than usual. The second card I have is for you is a be bold and make the first move. So remember when I said with the Two of Wands, an action is needed. You need to kind of be bold, and you have to butt heads, you have to take a physical action towards something. Well, the Monology deck is basically affirming that yes, you need to take an action in regards to something. And the last card I have for you is you're very close to achieving your goal. So see, with the Sun card showing up, I think you are actually very close to achieving your goal. I would not say all your goals are going to be fulfilled, or all your dreams are going to be fulfilled, but I think one of your goals, either from love life or from your career, is definitely going to be achieved. Just make sure you stay optimistic in the second half of the month, and other than that, I think it's a pretty good month for you.